Hello everybody, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to fix Money Network app not loading. So let's get started. So this may be caused by a cellular issue. So first of all, go into your settings and now click on the cellular option. Now you need to scroll down and search for the Money Network app. Now in here, make sure that the toggle button is turned on, and this should fix your issue. If it still doesn't work, then try the second solution. Go into your app store and now search for Money Network. And now towards the right of it, if you see an update icon, that means it isn't updated to the latest version, so make sure to update it. If that doesn't work, then you have to clear app cache, so go into settings and now click on general. Now tap on iPhone storage. From here, scroll down and click on Money Network app. Once you're on the screen, you need to click on offload app. Now this will clear the cache and a reinstall button will pop up in this case. So just click on the reinstall button and this should fix your issue. If that doesn't work, then you need to completely reinstall the app. So just click on the delete app red button on the bottom and now go to the app store and download Money Network again. And there you go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you all in the next one. Goodbye.